that lies within. Nothing between you and I. Still you right there under my skin.
Marriage is one of life's greatest gifts. It is a blessing to make these promises with your soulmate. As you hold on to one another's hands, you will find deeper levels of joy, happiness, and peace together. Your marriage is the foundation upon which you will build the rest of your lives, and despite any adversity, we'll always be there to sustain you.
I can't believe this day is finally here. I am beyond thankful and lucky for everything we've been through this year, from all the challenges we faced to everything we accomplished together, especially what we're accomplishing right now. I still remember the first time we started talking, and you mentioned you didn't like Drake, and that you were a Knicks fan, and I remember almost ending it right there.
I'm just gonna trust what you're saying. You never planned. Came through the valley, we walked through the fire. Your grace is amazing. I trust what you're saying. You never planned. I know that you work every trial. Feel good if I stay and be patient.
Jason, we have been through it. We have had our highest of highs and our lowest of lows. We've argued, fought, and have had our share of disagreements, but every single one has been from love. I never thought I would meet a man so willing to take care of me. Let me rephrase that. I never thought I would meet a man that could take me on and take care of me.
Let's go fall in the battle, I think your kingdom is come, yeah. I cannot run, yeah. Surrender, you fill up my cup, yeah. Reason to strive, yeah. You look me in the eye, I've been your son, yeah.
Saying I love you is an understatement. As we get ready to say our dues again, just remember, it's me and you. It'll always be me and you. I love you more than Kanye loves Kanye. Always, Mrs. P.
Hi babes, can you believe our day is finally here? It's been a long 2 years waiting for this moment, and it's hard to control my emotions and tears from coming down. I still remember meeting you for the first time and telling all my friends that I found the woman I want to marry, and here we are today. I know the past few months have been stressful, hectic, and full of ups and downs, but I know there is no other person worth fighting for. I can't promise you a perfect marriage without arguments and disagreements, but I can promise you, as long as you're with me, I'll fight for you until the day I die. Love always, babe.
You got me so that's all she wrote, 'cause you are the one I am trusting. I'ma give it all to you.
I'm just gonna trust what you're saying. You never planned. Came through the valley, we walked through the fire. Your grace is amazing. I trust what you're saying. You never planned. I know that you work every trial. Feel good if I stay and be patient.
Family and friends, by the power vested in me, by the Universal Life Church, and by the state of New Jersey, I'm pleased to pronounce Jason Gassman's husband and wife.
Now I won't be scared if I'm gonna make it out tonight.